and welcome to I.T.Relief Tech Tips number 4. Today we're talking about a tool, CPU-Z is the name, and what this does is just give you a ton of information about your computer, something that's a free tool that you could find out, in case you're wondering, what motherboard do I have? What GPU do I have? What CPU do I have? You don't have to really reach out to a tech to find out. You just come right to this website here. It's found on SonicSoft. I'll include the link in the description just so it's easier to find. So as long as you hit this free download button, it should start downloading for you. And sometimes the alternative just moves faster. So as you can see, this right here is being downloaded. You just click on this and make sure that it comes through. All right, just accept the agreement here, hit next, and quickly fly through the easy prompts here. We don't need to view the README text, just kind of confusing. So all we got to do now, just look for exactly what we installed and open the program. So this will kind of scan your system, and it doesn't take very long at all. So we just want to hit continue here. Now this is the whole ball of wax here. This is the entire program, but what you can see is it's actually reviewing what processor I have, telling me the exact name, model, and generation. It also tells you the socket. In this case, it's 1151. So when you're buying motherboards and pairing CPUs, you have to know that stuff. You can buy incompatible gear. So mainboard right here is where you find your motherboard information. So you can see this one is a Z390 Designate, one of my favorite motherboards from Gigabyte. And then the memory right here is DDR4, 32 gigabytes. Tells you the frequency it's running at, whether it's single or dual channel. And then you can come right to graphics here and see that I'm running an NVIDIA RTX 4070 Ti Super. So it just kind of gives you everything you need to know about it. And also includes a benchmark tool right in it. So nice and easy, nice and quick. Just wanted to share the tool with everyone and let them know more about it. It is free. It's easy to run. And if you have any questions about it, just go ahead and put them in the comments. I can reply to them. And if you have any questions, you can email us at support@getitrelief.com or give us a call as well. And that you can reach us at 1-888-950-8984. And stay tuned for more tips from I.T.Relief.